Hello, Mr. Bruning back again with another video exploring the wonderful properties of water. You search YouTube, science teachers everywhere, we just get all jazzed up about water and the properties of water. Today we're going to talk a little bit about capillary action and hydrogen bonding. So you've probably heard of hydrogen bonding somewhere. I'm not going to show you where it is in this video. You have to kind of figure it out. But what we need today for this demonstration is we're going to need three different solutions of water with different colored food coloring. I suggest blue, red, and yellow. My red is really not very red. Unfortunately, I'm using this orange here, which is supposed to be red, but it's just not. And we'll need 5 glasses with paper towels going between them. So something kind of like this. You can have any size glass. Ideally, if it was clear, this will work a little bit better. And this is going to take a while, so you need to set it up someplace where it's not can be disturbed. And I didn't do that. This is right before dinner, so I don't know what I'm going to do. So what you got to do is you're going to take each of the colored solutions and you're going to pour it as follows. So this one on the end here, I'm going to pour all the blue in, the glass on the end, or almost all of it. I'm going to put the red, orange, or whatever you want to call this, in the middle container. And I'm going to put the yellow on the end. So I've got these 3 different solutions in 3 different glasses. And then what we're going to do is you're going to kind of make paper towel. This is one paper towel folded, like rolled up, folded in half. And you're going to put them as a bridge between each of the colored solutions into the empty glasses. So at this point, not a lot has happened. This is going to take a while to work. So this would be a great point for you to make a prediction as to what you think is going on. If you don't have 3 colors, you could do this with just 2 different colors in 3 glasses. If you want to get real fancy, you can do the 5. And if you have more cups and more colors, you can just, go nuts with this. So what do we think is going to happen? Do we think that cup's going to get emptied, or what do we think is going to happen here? So make a prediction. I'll be back later with my picture of the completed setup, and then it is up to you to tell me what happened. So a little bit of an update here. I'd like to point out something for some of you that may help you answer some questions. If you look at the paper towels here, you can see that the paper towels are colored. So what does that mean? Is on, in, attached to, whatever with the paper towel. So this one here looks yellow. These over here look reddish. And this one on the end here is a little bit bluer, at least than it is elsewhere. So, why do you think that's happening? What does it mean if the paper towels are now the color of the water? Well, we're back at the end of the experiment, and the reason why I do experiments is 'cause sometimes things are not exactly what you would expect. So here we have our 5 cups. Remember, we started with this one was blue, this one was reddish orange, and this one here was yellow. I never used this actual red food dye that we're using here, and it looks like the red food dye did not move from the middle cup outward as well as the blue dye moved into the middle one, and the yellow dye moved into its neighboring cup. So the question we can talk about here has to do with some adhesion and cohesion, which is what we're trying to see here with, due to the properties of hydrogen bonding. So my question to you all is, when looking at the red, if you look closely here, the paper towels are dyed very darkly pink but it doesn't seem to go to the edges. So the question there is, does that pink dye bond more strongly to water or to paper towels? So it's kind of not what we expected to see. See a little bit of some color mixing here, and it almost looks like the yellow has leaped over to this one, and there's actually some yellow on this paper towel here. So I've included a link to another video that you can look at where someone did this with traditional food dyes that worked. So again, walking water, having to do with adhesion and cohesion. And I'll see ya around. Maxie, get the lights. Little special treat here featuring our plasma ball. All right, everyone. Have a great time. Little Dr. Maxie, over and out.